While we're searching for the best knife. Good day to my viewers. What's up? What's going on? It's your guy back at it again, searching for the best kitchen knives. And the best kitchen knives I've seen is this one so far. It's the stainless steel knife. It's 21 pieces. Come with everything covered with it. So let's review it, and you guys told me what you guys think. I'm gonna leave a link down below so you guys can just click on the link and it take you right here straight to this knife. You make the purchase. It's from Amazon, just like that. I'm going to leave a link down below and you guys can click on it and make your purchase. Well, as you see, comes with the scissors, comes with everything. As I've said, it's 21 pieces, and the cost is $499.95. And it's the best kitchen knife. As I've said, it's a stainless steel, and it's the best knife. As you see, it's good for many environment. See, you can slice very unique. Can Well, the scissors is there. You can cut the chicken, and you have a butter knife. As you see, you have a bread knife. As you see, you have a nice steak knife that you could use cut your steak. As you see, it's come with 21 pieces, so it's there. You guys can look at it if it's your preference. Well, it's nice. It's the best knife set that I send to my customers, and they purchase it from Amazon. It's the best one I've seen so far. As you see, you guys can make that purchase. And the cost, once you click on the link, as I've said, I'm going to leave a link down below, and you guys can just click at the link and you guys can get it from there. And that's it from there. Alright, we're gonna check on what we're gonna check on deep fryer. Yeah, that's the one I was going to check on. So the deep fryer that well, this one is a Ninja deep fryer. It's cost of $199, and it's best for many occasion. It's best deep fryer, as you see down here. Good for your fries, your chicken nuggets, your bacon, and it's a nice Ninja blender. As you guys can see, it's profitable. It's, as I've said, it's good to cook your chicken, roast your chicken, bake chicken, sear fryer. It's good to make your fries. As you see, it's good to make your nice fish, and good to bake even your potatoes and stuffs like that. As you see, it's good to be in the kitchen area. It's just a nice stainless steel, and the color it comes in, it's gray color, and it's a nice very nice. It's a Ninja hair fryer, and it's one of the best. I will give my customer one of the best. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description. You guys can click on the link, it take you straight to Amazon, and you guys could just make the purchase from there and make it simple. So it's the best hair fryer that I would give anyone to purchase and bought and so forth. So the last thing that I'm going to review here is coffee maker. I'm going to review that just a little bit down here. Coffee maker. So that's not the best coffee maker. Alright, there's many coffee makers. Oh shit, sorry about that. Mini coffee maker that I've seen here. So let me take you to the best one and the one that I use. Oh my god, let me take this off this best coffee maker. Give you the one that I've purchased off Amazon, the one that I'm using now every morning to make my coffee. The one that I use, it's right here. Oh shoots, one that I use. I posted. I think I posted one that I've used. It's right somewhere down here, and the cost of it is just no. Yes, this is the one that I've used. This was just going for something profitable, can reach my budget. As you see, it's nice to make nice coffee. It's unique in a kind of way, though. I loved it. That's why I purchased it. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description if you guys want to purchase it. You just click on the link and it take you straight to Amazon, and you guys can just purchase it from there. As I've said, the cost of it is just $159.95. The cost of to purchase this coffee maker. So there's a wide varied choice of coffee maker. You have one for $199.99. Well, this one is perfect, but I'm going to leave a link in the description, and if you guys want to purchase it, you just click on the link and it will take you straight there. You guys could just make the purchase from there. Well, so I've seen that it's perfect, so you guys can just take it. And I'm signing off from here, so I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you.